Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to build the best Pokemon team in PokePath TD using a simple tier list style guide. I will explain with Pokemon roles that you need, which types perform the best, and how to balance your team so that you can clear the waves easily. So first of all, you need to understand that the PokePath TD, you don't just want strong Pokemon, you want the balanced roles. A great team normally includes a damage dealer, slow range attackers, and support units. So if you only stack the damage, you will lose in later waves. So let's talk the top tier roles. So these are your main damage Pokemon. You can choose Pokemon with the high DPS and the multi-hit attacks because they clear the big groups of enemies fast. Evolve them early and place them on the corners or both the paths areas where they can hit enemies for the longest time. Next is A tier, so it will be slow and the control Pokemon. So these are super important in the lower defense. Slowing Pokemon stretch the path, giving your damage dealers more time to attack. So always place the slow before the main DPS so that the enemies stays inside the attack zone longer. Then comes the B tier range and the coverage Pokemon. So these helps hit flying or fast enemies that slip through the normal defenses. Long range towers should be positioned in the middle of the map, covering multiple lanes. Now the support and the buff Pokemon. So these may not deal heavy damage, but they boost the attack speed, damage, or give the status effect. One or two support can double your total damage output, so never underestimate them. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.